ClickFunnels has really changed my life.
Meet Adam, musician, course creator, funnel hacker.
My name's Adam Ivy, or should I say I'm Adam Ivy, or my name's Adam Ivy.
You got this.
I help entrepreneurs scale their businesses through using video marketing, specifically on YouTube.
Nailed it. How did you get started?
At 17 years old, I found myself homeless and I had no place to stay. Fast forward, 2016, I go legally deaf in my left ear, kind of debilitating as a music producer when you can't hear. So I decided I'm gonna start making videos for my music producers and tell them how to build that overall business out of a passion for creative. And by 2018, I had a ton of people in the comments saying, Adam, do you have an online course? Adam, how can I work with you? Adam, I'd love for you to coach me. Do you have a book? Do you have a podcast? And I didn't.
So what was your next move?
I signed up for ClickFunnels, did 5 figures in under a week, and it changed my life. I made more money in that week than I'd ever made in a year from a day job in my entire life. Thanks to ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is an all-in-one solution for those that don't have the time, patience, or technical ability to duct tape all these different things together. They care, they've built a community around a movement, and it's nice to feel like you're a part of something, and with ClickFunnels, I feel like I'm a part of something.
If you're ready to launch your business, sign up for a free trial of ClickFunnels today.